Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to check journal in Pokemon Go. To check your journal in Pokemon Go, first of all, launch the Pokemon Go app on your device and ensure that you're logged in. From the homepage of Pokemon Go, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on your player icon or your trainer icon at the bottom left. Now you will be able to open up your profile page. Go ahead and select Journal button right under your avatar. The journal displays a log of your recent in-game activities such as Pokemon caught, items collected for PokéStops, raid rewards, and eggs hatched. Swipe up or down to browse through your recent events and interaction within the game. So that's how you can easily check your journal in Pokemon Go. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokemon Go tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.